confirmation of ownership or tenancy or lease of the property, and then the details of the location of the property. At that point, if you do it online, then you give us a PIN location of the property. Once that is received by us, we would have it processed into our systems, and you're given a unique reference number. That reference number comes to you, to your phone on SMS, and you're able to also access it via our website and through our other forms of communication with customers. We have a USSD communication platform. It is *977#. We also have an app. It is called My Power App. My Power App, you can download it from the App Store. You can download it from iOS, and you can then access your reference number from there using a copy, the details of your ID, and you're able to access your reference number. Once you're given that unique reference number, it is the number we will use to process that application from the time you apply up to the time that you will be connected. The reference number can be used to access the process or the progress of your application and helps you to be able to track your application. Upon receipt of the application, then we work out the cost of supplying you and give you a quotation for that supply. Subsequently, you make a payment based on that quotation. Our payments are done at our offices or through the official channels that we have provided. We have M-Pesa channel, we have partners whom we have partnered with from where you can pay. No payment is given to an individual for connection of electricity. So please, when you make your payment for electricity, you pay through those official channels. Once the payment is received, then we obtain permission to run the line as designed, and subsequently make the connection to the customer. Thank you.
All right, and we'll get to the question of the cost itself so that you can see the specifics and the different categories that we have. But engineer, maybe you can help us, because there has been, sorry, Engineer Kennedy, we know all of you engineers. There has been concerns from Kenyans talking about that, for instance, one says that we were connected to power, but then the Kenya Power officials came and said that